7 Best Plants for Hanging Pots. Houseplants bring a refreshing touch of nature inside. To eliminate crowded shelves and tabletops, try hanging your houseplants. These indoor hanging plants range from varieties with leggy, trailing vines to picks with thick and rubbery foliage. Find which indoor hanging plant is best for your space. Hanging potted plants are a treat to have in any garden. With hanging potted plants, gardeners can go crazy with their imagination and choice of plants, which often leads to people being left mesmerized by the look they give the garden as a whole. English ivy. Also known as common ivy, English ivy, Hedera helix, is a gorgeous, deep green, glossy plant. This classic plant is one of the best indoor plants for low light. Suspend a pot of English ivy from a ceiling and admire the elegant, cascading vines. It has the natural tendency to drape itself downwards. The ivy is also a perennial, meaning it can survive for 2 or more years quite effortlessly given the right care. Wandering Jew. The wandering Jew gets its name from being a kind of invader of other regions in the garden. It can be perfect for indoor hanging baskets, with its green, heart-shaped leaves sporting purple stripes. This plant also has blooms that are very small in nature. Ferns. Ferns are a common house plant that makes for great hanging basket plants as well. Interestingly, there are several variants of the ferns: Boston ferns, Kimberly queen, maidenhair, to name a few, that can be planted at home. There are different growth techniques and care procedures for different ferns, but the most common type of fern that you can grow at your homes is the Boston fern. The feathery foliage of Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, makes for a truly beautiful indoor hanging plant. Keep in mind that Boston fern loves humidity. Be sure to spray it with water daily to keep the leaves from drying out. Arrowhead vine. With its large, pointy leaves, arrowhead vine, Syngonium podophyllum, is one of the best hanging plants for filling empty spaces. It thrives in humidity, so this houseplant lives well in a kitchen or bathroom. Arrowhead vine comes in shades of green, pink, and burgundy, and is versatile for all types of decor. Make sure it's out of reach from your pets, because arrowhead vine is toxic to animals. Moss rose. Moss rose plants, Portulaca grandiflora, are popular flowering annuals sold at garden centers in the spring. And if you see leftover moss rose plants on clearance sale in the summer, you might notice the plants are usually just as lovely as they were in the spring, a testament to the plant's toughness. The medium green, cylindrical, succulent leaves of moss rose are another clue to the plant's hardiness, namely its tolerance of drought conditions. In addition, the trailing habit of moss rose works well in hanging baskets. Moreover, moss rose doesn't typically spread outside of its bounds as a ground cover, so it's ideal for a small garden. Orchid. The unique shapes of orchids, Orchidaceae, make for dynamic indoor hanging plants. Their beautiful flowers will add a pop of color and sophistication to your home. Make sure to hang your orchids where they'll get enough sunlight to thrive, ideally in front of a window. Try this hanging orchid planter for a modern take on an orchid display. Copper corn money plant. A similar variation of the money plant is the copper corn money plant. This plant gets its name from its oddly circular shaped leaves. Its growth and care are similar to traditional money plants. These can be really pretty additions to your garden, but are quite hard to find in many parts around India. The best way would be to order them online. So those were some of the best hanging potted plants that can help amp up the beauty and overall look of your garden.